Hey guys, Mr. BMX Riders here. Today I'll be doing a bike check on my friend's bike. I think the last time we saw this was a stock bike, but he changed a lot of parts, so it's almost custom now. Starting off with the grips, it's Cult grips, Cult Vans grips. The handlebars are pretty sensitive bars right there. How much you got it for?
Like 70, around the 65.
Yeah, best handlebars you could ever buy. I really recommend this. The stem is, what's the stem?
Stock.
It's a stock stem. He didn't change it yet. It's winter right here, so not as much BMXing. The frame is a stock King Gap. Pedals are Animal PC pedals. The cranks are one custom Mission and one stock. Because a long time ago he broke his stem he broke his cranks by doing 180. I don't know how it broke. The back wheel is stock Mission, right? What is it?
The wheel?
Yeah, the wheel.
Yeah.
The wheel is stock Mission. Tires are Animal MTT tires. Right over there. Same with the front tire. Cranks are stock Mission. The wheel is stock also. And we also got a new chain. What is it?
Colt chain.
Call chain right here. Sprocket. Custom sprocket.
Yeah.
Mission. And the seat we got from Mr. BMX Edit. He's really popular on YouTube, so you probably know him. How much you got it for? For the
seat?
The seat.
Like 20.
Yeah. Really good price for the seat. It's really cushy. My friend likes it a lot. And how much was this whole bike and all? $350. Really good price for this bike. It's much better than most $700 bikes because it really lasts a long time. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Guys, subscribe, like this video, and see you guys later.